To deep clean your catalytic, you will need gloves, distilled water, white vinegar, a large measuring cup, a 9-inch by 13-inch deep plastic tub, paper towels, masking tape, and a replacement gasket kit. Remove the flame deflector by tilting up and pulling it towards yourself. Pull out the catalytic converter and discard the old gasket material. Gently brush or vacuum off the outside of the catalytic, removing any ash buildup. Measure out 4 cups of white vinegar and pour it into the plastic tub. Next, pour 1 gallon of distilled water into the tub and mix the solution. This is 1 part vinegar to 4 parts distilled water. You can use this ratio to adjust the total quantity of solution based off your container size. You will need enough solution to completely submerge the catalytic. Soak the catalytic overnight in the solution. This deep cleaning will not only remove buildup inside the cells of the catalytic, it will also roughen up the surface of the catalyst material, restoring its effectiveness. After 8 hours, remove the catalyst from the solution and set aside. Rinse out and pour 1 gallon of distilled water into the tub. Thoroughly rinse the catalyst in the fresh water. Remove the catalyst and allow to air dry. Install the gasket by wrapping it around the perimeter of the catalytic. Tape it on the end to hold it in place. Cut off any excess gasket and tape around the edge of the gasket to hold it in place. This will make it easier to install. Notice that there are small handles on one side of the catalytic. This is the side that will face towards you when you reinstall it into your stove. Using these handles, place the catalytic back into its cavity. Gently push it backwards until you feel it stop. Replace the flame deflector by inserting the tabs into the 2 slots in the front of the baffle. You are now ready for a fire.